Hi there, Brian again. This time looking at a 2020 Chevrolet Equinox 1LT all-wheel drive. This one is an executive demonstrator model. Savings to be had. 1.5 liter engine in this vehicle, great fuel economy. And this color is called Silver Ice Metallic. And notice the nice black bow ties we've added. Sharpen it up, they stand out in style. Here's your rear cargo space, all kinds of room, everything you need to put in here. Extra cargo underneath, lots of width. Seats do fold down, handy levers here to do that. Flip them down from the back. Easily back up for passenger space. All kinds of room, great for travel. Rear air vents. Charge only USB ports. So up front, driver, front passenger, bucket seats, both heated. Additional storage here in the center console. See that? This is an all-wheel drive model. You can switch it off and on right up front here. There's a little button. Electronic parking brake. All your cruise and information center controls, Bluetooth controls, radio controls. New for 2020, standard IntelliBeam headlamps, automatic high beam lights for you, as well as lane departure warning. Sure, heated seat, climate controls, 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capable.